Hi viewers, MCQ questions related to light topic in physics. So first question, the phenomenon responsible for the formation of rainbow is. The right answer option C, dispersion, refraction and reflection. And move on next question. Which of the following is not a primary color of light? ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್ ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಕಲರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ, ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ is the secondary light color and remaining three red, green and blue are the primary color. And next question, why does the sky appear blue? The right answer option B, blue light is the scattered the most. So ಯಾಕೆ ಆಕಾಶ ನೀಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಸೊ ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್, ಬ್ಲೂ ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾಟರಿಂಗ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. And next question, which color has the least energy in the visible spectrum? ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಲರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಹೊಂದಿದೆ ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ರಮ್ ಒಳಗ? ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ರೆಡ್ is the least energy. It means it has the longest wavelength. Vibgaya. So highest frequency violet and lowest frequency red. This is the red has the highest wavelength, violet has the lowest wavelength. It means violet has the highest frequency. So right answer option A, red. The splitting of white light into its 7 colors is called. The splitting of white light into its 7 colors is called. So prism olaga, this is a prism. White light passed through this prism. It constitutes 7 colors. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಸೊ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸಿ, dispersion is the right answer. Thank you.